Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Today I am here with the syllabus of the current online examinations. I knew that you had certain doubts related to the portions because I was using the old class 10th book which had the complete syllabus. And right now, in order to avoid your all confusions, I have written the entire syllabus for the current examination. See, computer applications, remember that whatever is the subject, in class 10, there will be a continuation of the class 9 syllabus. So you have to clearly revise the class 9 syllabus for the computers. Now, after it is, in the class 9 you might have studied about the looping statements such as for loop, while loop and the do while. Right now they are not required. No programs will come from the looping statements for the current objective type multiple choice question. Alright. Now, in the coming examination, we can have a definition related one. You have studied so many definitions in the beginning of last year's syllabus. Then we studied what are identifiers, what are tokens, what are literals, constants, literals, the types of literals, the legal literals and illegal literals. What are the identifier naming rules? What is the reason for not considering a particular value as invalid, and why we are considering a particular value as invalid identifier name? Then we studied about data types and their conversion. We saw how we declare the variables, what all kinds of variables we can have, what all kinds of data types we have, each and every data types, their number of bytes required, their range of values, their default values. Okay, so all these things. And then we saw how we decide what kind of a variable is required, etc. Then we had operators and expressions. What are operators? What are expressions? And how do we classify the operators depending on the number of operands, unary, binary and ternary? Then we saw increment and decrement type of operators, plus plus and minus minus, all the arithmetical operators, all the relational operators, logical operator, other types of operators. Then precedence of operators. How do we execute the operators in a given expression depending on their priority or the precedence? Then associativity of the operators. When operators of the same priority are coming in one expression, how do they get executed? That tells about the associativity. That also is there. Then, in the unary, binary, ternary, we saw different operations. Difference between unary plus unary minus we saw. Again, conditional operator, the ternary operator or the conditional operator. Then we saw in Java, the programs are executed either sequentially, selectively or iteratively. Then what is selection statements are doing, and what are the statements for doing the selections in Java, that is if else, nested if else ladder, switch. These are all these with the help of programs, and today we are going to see the switch. See, all these things will be included in the syllabus, but this time no questions from these points. I hope the syllabus is clear. Just to go through the textbooks and my videos and get prepared, and we are going to continue with multiple selection statement, or we say that is our switch statement. Why do we need a switch, or what is the feature of switch? Then later on we will see the difference between switch and the if.